In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the jewellery store on Main Street. This drawing is based on a square, and if you're doing the whole street, it's really good to make a square up like this so that you can just go all around the edge, and then you'll know that all your stores will be exactly the same size, and you can have the middle all ready to draw in like that. And I'm going to draw a line across the middle. I'm going to draw a line down the middle like that, because that's probably where the door's going to be. This is an old Art Nouveau store, and we're going to put in some curves. So we want to come up to about there and draw like a curve coming across like that. And then we want another curve up above it like that. And then we're going to want another line across there about like that. And we'll draw a line across there. And we want to work out how wide the door is going to be, about like that, I should think. And then we'll draw a line all the way down the middle on each side like that. And that should mean we're ready to start inking in. So your square can be any size you like. It doesn't matter. You can have a huge big one, or you can have a small dinky one. You can download a printout PDF of all the stores on Main Street from my Patreon page. And then we're going to draw down the middle here. So you have to kind of think how these shop fronts are constructed. So kind of a shop front is like when they build it, there's just a great big hole in the side of the street. And then you come along and say, oh, I want this to be this kind of a store, and I want it to look fancy, and I'm going to put this in the front. So you kind of design it and build it so that everything just kind of fits in. And we're going to draw lines across and lines across and another line across like that. So these are kind of structural supports that go across. Like that. And then I should have done another one down here, but let me do that here now. Sometimes you forget, but it doesn't really matter, because it still looks good. And sometimes you make a mistake and you can actually make it look better. And then I'm going to draw that across there, and this is going to be a little sill across the bottom like that. And then we're going to have a curve across there, which is the curve of the top of the door. And now I'm going to draw a curve and another curve that way. And I'm going to draw a little kind of wiggle in and out, wiggle in and out like that. And we'll put a little bit of fancy kind of stuff on the glass. So that's glass there. Let's make a little curl in there as well. Why not? And then this is the door, so we have a curve there. Oh, this is a bit tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start about there and draw a curve to about there. And I'm going to do the same here, down to about there. Now, this is going to be really tricky. So if you get lost, don't forget you can stop and start at any time you like. This is going to go off at a bit of an angle, just like that one there is going to do there. We want this to come around like that and up, and then that's going to come to about there. So we want this kind of curve following there. It's going to come down a little hook, up a bit, and then it's sort of aiming for up there. So we got that kind of curve going across the top there. And then we want that to come around like that, and then that can come straight down. This is Art Nouveau, this style. This was kind of at the beginning of the 20th century, and it's kind of it's kind of like it's designed on flowers and plants and things like that, so it can be a bit tricky to draw. Here, look, let's put a little triangle in there just to fill in that shape. And if you feel you've got a bit of space there, you can do that one too. And then, can you see that curve there? What we're going to do is come around there and nice round corners, and then we'll come up around there, round corner, and around at the top. Same thing here, round corners, and it's slightly curved there, around corner and around corner. Like I say, don't forget you can stop and start as many times as you like. This is probably the most complicated drawing in this whole set for the town of Inkwell. Now next, we're going to do these windows in here. And squidge that one in if you can. I think, you know, sometimes you think, oh, I haven't got it right, I've got too many, haven't got enough space. But just squeeze it in somehow, and see, I've got 4 there already. I think I'm going to do 5 on this side. But you're not really going to notice. It doesn't matter. It's only you notice. No one else is. Look, we've got a centre line here, so we can use that to help us here. Start there. And then down there, and then another one like that. It's exhausting, this one, isn't it? So let's bring that down to about there. So you want this curve to go across there like that. Let's put a little, that should probably be a nice curved shape on the handle, really. And down here we're going to put some little panels in there like that as well. And that's the thing with Art Nouveau, it just all builds up with these shapes and patterns and makes it look gorgeous. Now when you are sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines so no one will ever know how you got it so accurate, and they'll think you're really, really clever. And then we can put a little sign hanging on there saying open. And I'm going to make this number 24 in the street. And can you see the 2 is bigger than the 4 because we got that kind of line, and here the 4 is slightly longer than the 2. And we will say jeweler. I'm going to squeeze that in. There we go, got that in. And again, we can do something like that. Just to make it a bit more fancy. And then inside we want to very gently kind of draw these shelves that go across in the window, like you get with those boards you get sort of all covered in earrings and watches and jewellery stuff. So, and then we can put little things like that in there. Just, it doesn't have to be very beautiful. You don't have to do perfect things, because it's on the other side of the glass. You can't really see what it is. So it's just an impression of what's on the other side. And then we'll help to make this look like glass by kind of drawing these lines. So these are sort of lines which make it look a bit like it's glass. And then these are glass too. And that kind of helps to give it that sort of feeling of glass all the way across. And then this is glass as well, remember? So we can put some lines in there. This is glass. And we can do it like that. And there's a little bit of glass in there. How did you do? That's a tricky one. Now all you need to do now is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can draw all the other stores in Main Street, Inkwell. Thanks for watching. Bye.